Hello, I'm Anne from Your Life Choices, and today I'm going to show you how to sort your apps on your Android smartphone or tablet by creating folders. To make folders on your Android device, tap an app and hold your finger down on it. Then drag the app up to the Create Folder button and let go of the app. Enter the name of this folder and tap the plus button to select different apps to include in this folder. When you have finished selecting apps to include in this folder, tap Done in the top right corner of your screen. You now have those apps stored in one convenient folder. Note that some Android devices may require you to tap and hold an app, then drag it on top of another app to make a folder. Thanks for watching. See you next time.